there, this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. This evening I'm going to continue on drawing on my ink drawing that I'm doing a little bit each day or as often as I can in order to complete the page of drawing, but just to kind of show you how easy it is just to sit down with a paper, pen, pencil, whatever, marker, whatever it is you have, and design something really unique. And it's also very relaxing, such a good stress reliever. So I'm going to continue on tonight and just do a little bit by adding on to what we already have going on here. And I don't really have this planned out per se, which is kind of one of the neat things about doing this, is that you don't actually have to have anything in mind when you're doing it. It's just a matter of sitting down and drawing. Now, of course, you can have something in mind if you want. I personally think it's more fun just to see what you end up with once it's done. I think on my next one I'm going to kind of show you, I had mentioned in one of the earlier videos about people who you just draw random designs on a paper and then you start filling those in. And I'm going to demonstrate what I meant by that, because I know that can be kind of sound odd to some people, but it's really actually pretty interesting. And one thing I want to mention too with this pen that I'm using, and I will put the supplies that I'm using at the bottom on this video, is that you really have to be careful with it because it does take some drying time. I'm left-handed, so typically with a left-handed person, I don't know if you're familiar with that or not, but we kind of drag our hand over what it is we've already written, and so that can cause smudges, and it does get on your hands. So with this type of a pen, maybe not the best one to be using for this, but it's something someone recommended that does ink and wash type designs. So I thought, I'd give it a try. And that's what I'm finding out with it, is that you definitely really need to be careful when you're going over the design as you're drawing it. So I've probably been doing this kind of drawing on and off, gosh, probably about 5 or 6 years. It's been a while. And I fell in love with it, and I did a lot of it until my mother passed away about 4 years ago, 4.5 years. And then I kind of lost my steam. But then I started picking it up. I kind of missed it. I love drawing. So I missed it and started picking it back up again. I just enjoy just kind of messing around with it. It's fun. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on it if you are someone that has never done it before, if you're giving it a try. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Please leave a comment for me. Let me go back in here, maybe color these in a little bit, but I have to be careful not to drag my hand across it. It's just incredible, like how many designs there actually are. I mean, just ridiculous amounts. I think there's so many different patterns. People are creating new ones all the time. And some are easier than others, obviously. And I hope you enjoy watching this. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and please feel free to share. I'm trying to get as many followers as I possibly can, and I would appreciate the support. It would be awesome. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment so that I can get back to you on that. Or if you want to share any of your own work, like I said, I love to see other people's work. When you're a creative, you really do get inspired and like to see and share. See others' work and share yours. Alright, well, I think I'm going to stop here for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. As I mentioned, I appreciate you stopping by, taking time to view my video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Have a good evening until the next video.